Hi, as you can see today I have a very big padlock. It's a metal. It's a Bulgarian brand, I think, but this one is pretty big one, and I don't know if you can see, it's a DIMPLE lock and hard, probably hardened steel shackle, hardened body. I did not test it. But yeah, this one was sent to me when I got it. It was sent to me in parts, but I did manage to put it back together. It was without key, so yeah. And as far as I can remember, this one, there are no security pins. So 5 click, 6 click. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, that was, I think, pin number 5 or 6, I don't remember, but it was the last pin. So it's pretty easy pick. It's going like 180, and then you can remove the shackle. Here's the shackle, pretty big one, and here's how it looks inside. Here's that. Oh, I hope you can see that. No. Where is my... Yes. Inside you can see how that bar is rotating, so there is no chance to shim this one or do different things. And yeah, so it's bit, there is here a screw, so that's how you can remove the lock. You can see it's a easy disassembly. Let me show you the core. Nothing special. It looks like there may be passive pins here, but they are not present. There is that groove going 180. Here's how this part is interlocking with this one, and that's how it's this bar is returning, and so that's how the lock can be in this position and you cannot remove the shackle, or in this position and you can remove the shackle. So pretty interesting concept. And there are holes for drill protections, but they're not present. Very strange. Maybe someone before me disassembled this one. It's yeah, and here's the body. Nothing special. It's not, it feels like not that quality for some reason. There's a drill protection here. I don't know why it felt like a cheap one, like a Chinese one. And you can see the pins, they're all standard, maybe tempered, the key pins, but the drivers are all of them are standard. Here's the spring. So yeah, that's the bar, that's the part that holds the pins here. So yeah, that was the metal big padlock. Bit disappointed with what they put it inside, but yeah, it is what it is. Pretty easy pick. Only 5 pins, all of them standard. So yeah, guys, that was the metal lock made in Bulgaria. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.